Good morning. Today we are going to complete our chapter, which is statistical representation, and we are going to learn a new method to represent the data, which is the bar chart. Actually, we have two different bar chart, the horizontal bar chart and the vertical bar chart. After we solving this example, we are going to find the differences between these two charts. Let us go back to our example, which is after we made a questionnaire, we found the following results: 13 students like green, 15 students like blue, 20 students like red, and 8 students like black. Actually, for the bar chart, we are going to draw two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. In each case, the x-axis and the y-axis represent different things. We are going to check these two examples to learn what are the x-axis represent, what is the x-axis represent in the horizontal, and what is the y-axis represent in the horizontal, and so on in the vertical. For the green, we have 13 students, so I'm going to draw a bar to reach number 13. Actually, for our scale, which is 8 centimeter equal 2 students, we don't have number 13, but we have 12 and 14. So I'm going to draw the bar in the middle between the 12 and the 14, which is 13. This is my first bar. For the blue, I have 15. Also the 15, it's not of my scale. So I'm going to put it in between, which is between 14 and 16. This is my second bar. For the red, I have 20 students, so I will go on row bar until I reach number 20. And for the last color, which is the black, I have 8 students. So this is my last bar. As you can see, this is the vertical bar chart. So my x-axis represents what? The data type, which is the color. And my vertical axis or the y-axis represent number of students who like this color. So number of people or number of students in our case. If we go back to our vertical bar chart, we can say that the x-axis represents the data type and the y-axis represents the number of people, or in our case, number of students. Now, it's going to be very obvious for you that the second chart will be the horizontal chart, and we are going just to draw the same bars but in different orientation. So the red is 20 students. The blue, 15. The green, 13. And the black is 8. So now the x-axis represents number of students who like the color, and the y-axis represents data type, which is in our case the colors. So the x-axis in the horizontal represents number of students or number of people, and the y-axis represents data type. Important notes. First thing that we have to use the same scale. So if our scale is each centimeter equal to, this means that I have jumping all the time by tooth, and each bar are separated with the same distance from one bar to another. So between the red and the green must be the same distance between the green and the blue and the blue and the black. Now you will be able to solve your exercises in 8C, and for further information don't hesitate to contact us. Thank you.